Hey creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to address so many comments that I received lately on my Facebook platform. And the comment is, please teach us how to create this viral baby dance. And in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video to as many as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is the first time you're coming across my video. I'm very sure you must have been seeing this viral video going trending on TikTok, trending on YouTube Shorts, and so many platforms. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do it. It's very simple and so easy. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our Chrome browser, and when you come over to your Chrome browser, you come over to this tool. This is the tool we're going to be making use of. So we'll come over to our TikTok, and then we're going to search for viral baby dance. Right. So once you search for the viral baby dance, you will see series of what people have been posting earlier on this niche. And trust me, this niche is the hot cake right now. Just check, look at people's posts. You can see 86.2k reaction, 165k, like 307.4k reaction. This is massive. So why not join the trend as it's still the hot, right? So now what we're going to do is, it's very simple and very easy. What we're going to do, let's check, and you can take a screenshot of any baby you like here. Maybe you want to use that type of baby image or so, or if you have your own preference or reference, you can do that. So I already done my own already. So you can see right here in my ChatGPT, I took a screenshot of a baby, right? Then I now told ChatGPT to give me prompt to create a different version of this baby and change the hairstyle and clothes to Nigerian color. And you can see, boom, this is what ChatGPT gave me. So amazing. And it gives me in 9 by 16 aspect ratio, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to download this image, right? So once I download this image, that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'll download this image and save it somewhere. Then I'm going to show you what to do with this image right here. So stick to this video, don't skip any part so that you don't miss any part of this video, right? So I'm going to download it right now and go over to my to the tool and see what to do next, right? So if you come over to this tool that I'm talking about, so let's go over to it. All right, so here we are. What we're going to do firstly is, now we want to sign in, right? But before we sign in, let's check this model. You can see the models right here, nano banana. We want to also try the image right here. So trying the image, we need to sign in first because that is very important. I've not yet signed in, so I want to sign in and start from scratch so that you can see how this works, right? So this is our nano banana pro. This platform has everything all in one: image generation, video generation, everything, which is this platform. You can do everything all in one. So I'm going to come over and sign in, which I've done that already. Then I now want to, the prompt ChatGPT gave me, right, I paste it right here and generate it. So you can see this is the image, but it gives me in male version right here. So don't worry, I will not be making use of that. Maybe I'll just use the one of ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is, you can see it gives me in 4K quality. Like, this is super amazing. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over and click on this video model, right? So let me cancel this as at first. So what we're after is how to the video aspect. But before going to the video aspect, we need video reference. We need a video reference. So what you're going to you come over to your TikTok again and search for viral dance, right? You search for viral dance, and when you search for viral dance, you look for the one that suits you, the one you want to make use of. So let's go for this one. So I think I'll go for this. So all you just do is any video dance you see and you like it and you want to copy that same style, you just come over, download the video. So if you are using mobile device, your phone, you can download it directly from the TikTok app. But if you are using Chrome browser or you are using laptop, all you just do is to come over, select the video you want to use, right? So you select the video. So there are numerous videos, you can check them out yourself. There are numerous dance, they are viral dance. So if you try it out, it's going to work. So I'm going to come over and pick this first one right here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and copy the link to this video, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just come straight right here and click on share, and the share will show me the download to copy link. So then I'll paste the link right here and click and wait for it to show this. Then immediately display the video. I'm going to click on download. So after downloading the video, then you can now go back to this platform, you can go back to this tool and start creating your motion video, right? This is very, very simple and this is amazing. So follow this video, don't skip any part so that you don't make any mistake, right? So I'll go back to this platform and get this started, right? So what I'm going to do right now is, let's wait for this to load, and then okay, let me close this image aspect and go to the video part now. So I will go to the video aspect and click on what we are going to, we are making use of Kling AI, right? So I'll click on Kling AI. After clicking on that, then you see this edit video. I'm going to click on it. So once you click on the edit video, you can see motion control. So what you are going to do is you are going to upload reference video, that is the video downloaded from this from TikTok, right? So once you click on upload reference video, you go over and select the video downloaded on TikTok, right? So this is the video. Okay, download, then I pick it right here, then I upload it immediately. So after uploading, you can see media width of 576 pixel is too low, minimum width is 720 pixel. So what you are going to do is, if you are facing any challenge like this, you just take the video to CapCut. Once you take it to CapCut, go and reset the aspect ratio. So I'll come over and reset the aspect ratio to 9:16. So after resetting it to 9:16, I will now go back to this tool. Like, okay, after resetting it, I'm going to export it. So after exporting it, then I can now take it to this tool and upload it. Then it's going to work immediately, right? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get amazing content like this, because this is super amazing. If you want to go viral in 2026, you need to try this out, right? So now the video is exporting. Let's hold on for a little second for it to load completely, right? So we are done. Then let's come over again and upload the reference video again. So you click on the video, just upload the one you just finished exporting from your CapCut. So I'm going to come over to my CapCut file, which is, I've saved it right here. So let me come over to my CapCut file and then look at the full, let me find the video. All right, so this is the video right here. Then I'll click on, I will upload it. So you can see it's uploading right here, so which means we are good to go, right? So once as you are waiting for that to upload successfully, let's add the character image, that is the image generated by ChatGPT. So let's come over and select the image so that we can make use of it, right? So I'll come over to my downloads and pick the video, the picture, which is this, the image, right? So I'll upload the two. So immediately after uploading the two, the next thing I'm going to do is just to wait for the two to upload successfully. After uploading successfully, then you can now hit generate. So if you are a new user to this tool, you have 5 free trial. You have 5 free trial. So you can try it 5 different times then to see how it works. So if you like it, you can go for the premium plan so that you can continue enjoying this tool, right? So it's very simple and so easy to do, right? So guys, it has uploaded successfully. So boom, guys, this is super amazing. Let's see the results. Like guys, this is super amazing, this is super crazy. So now tell me, what do you feel about this? Like, you can just imagine, look at how this thing just look exactly like the way it was. So let's look at the second one. I also tried another one out again, because I have to pause the video and do another one so you can see it right here. Guys, this tool is super crazy. So what are you waiting for? Try this tool out today. Try this trending AI video out today and thank me later. So if today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, comment and share. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to always get amazing content like this from me. All right, thank you very much for watching this video to this very point. See you in my next video. Bye.